man before it was just broken by Zhangyu, so he'd love to break it back.
Well, he would, and if he needs any more motivation, it's right there in front of him. A bronze medal so far in this competition, 4 events in total, and gee, wouldn't he love to go one better than the bronze, or 2 better really, and win the Netherlands' 2nd track cycling gold medal of these games.
So even though with the overall scheme of things, the time that is leading is 106.678, the real time that NIJHUIS has to beat is 111.937. Keep that in the back of your mind, 111.937. That is the gold medal position at the moment and world record that was previously held by this man.
Well, he is off to a flying start as well. 0.296 of a second under the required time to win that gold medal. He can smell it, and look at this, he's building the lead, half a second under the required time. The test now is how he's going to finish with these final 2 laps.
So this is a real challenge. He's 0.6 in front. He's increasing his power and tempo at the moment. The 27-year-old from Netherlands. He has just seen the Chinese athlete break his record. What motivation that is. He's got 1 lap to go and it's starting to decrease.
Well, he's dropping off the pace ever so slightly. Here is NIJHUIS, and he really needs to power home. If he wants this gold medal, if he wants his world record back, he's dropping off the pace. It's blown over now, 0.4 over.
Has to ride for his life. It's not going to be. China's going to take the gold medal, and NIJHUIS's time has been factored in to finish at 107.999, but it's going to be a silver medal to that man, Arnoud NIJHUIS, and it's going to be dual gold, and he's just worked it out. Zhangyu, you've got the lot, my friend. Paralympic record, world record, gold medal, he's got the lot.
Well,